Let's understand how to create list in Python. Let's connect. Imagine it's your birthday and you want to invite your friends for the birthday party. What are you going to do? Yes, you're going to create a list. Let's reflect. What if you want to add a lot of friends, and what if you add a friend that you want to remove? Obviously, you're going to add and delete items from the list, right? So let's experiment the code and see how it works. First of all, we have to create a list. So here I've created an empty list, that is friend list, using a square bracket. Okay. Now you want to add the first item to your list. We are going to use .append method. So here I've written append and then the name of your friend over here. Now let's check whether the name gets appended in the list or not. So use a simple print statement. All right, let's run and see. Yes, the first item or the first name of your friend got added in the list. Now let's analyze. What if you want to add multiple items, right? We are going to write multiple append statements. So what I'm going to do over here is I'll just copy and I'm just going to write different names of my friends. All right, and let's see whether all the names get added in the list or not. Yes, you can see here all the 3 names got added in the list. Now, what if you want to delete an item from the list? Okay, so let's add the statement. We can delete an item from the list using pop statement. Now, suppose there are 3 items in the list and I want to remove the 3rd item from the list. So I'm going to use pop and let's write index number 3. Let's run and check the code. No, we're getting an error over here. Okay, so let's tweak. Did we remove the correct item? No. So in list, index starts from position 0. Right? So if we have to delete the 3rd item from the list, we have to write number 2. So let's correct it. So instead of 3, I'm going to make it 2 and let's run and check. Here you can see we have deleted the 3rd item from the list. So now let's optimize the code by adding functions to add and delete the items in the list. Okay, so here you can see I've added a function to add the items where I'm again doing the same thing. I'm appending the items in the list and one more function to delete the items in the list, right? So what I've done is I've called the function add multiple times over here to add multiple items in the list. Let's run and check. Yes, so here you can see 2 items have been added in the list. Now we want to delete an item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call the function delete. Okay, and let's say if you want to remove the first item. So what are we going to do? Remove index 0. Okay, so here I've written delete 0. Let's check. Yes, so now the first item of the list has been deleted. Let's revisit. So can you use the same logic and create a list of your favorite songs and share it on our community channel?